Hey everybody, this is Josh from CollectionDX.com. It's been a while since I've done a review, but I got this box in the mail, and it says, "Unbox Me." And it says Dragon, so it's from How to Train Your Dragon, but you know what? I kind of like that movie. I like the sequel. I like the show. I know who this is from. It's not just about dragons. So let's open this up and take a look. Here we go. Boom. Playmobil. I like Playmobil stuff. And look, they're doing dragons. Playmobil was always one of those lines when I was a kid that I just thought was great, but were always a little too expensive, and I don't know, you either kind of a Lego kid or a Playmobil kid, so I picked Lego, but I've always loved the aesthetics of Playmobil, and the build quality is pretty ridiculously great. I'm glad to see that they're now doing licensed stuff. Ghostbusters, Dragons, they've done a bunch of other ones as well. So we are going to take a look at this set, tell you what I think. Alright, there are a few pieces. I think it's like 16 pieces. Some assembly is required, and unfortunately that does mean a screwdriver, but it only is the screwdriver because there is a light up feature that you have to open up the battery case for, which requires a screw and one AAA battery. Okay. Battery. Ooh, lights up. That's cool. One thing I noticed with the set too is that nowhere on this set are the names of the characters. On the box, on the instructions, whatever, so the dragons are on there, but if your kid is asking you for Toothless and Hiccup, and you don't know who those are, and you're at the store and you just see dragons, you're out of luck because it doesn't say Hiccup or Toothless anywhere. If you know the show, you know who they are. It's a very small amount of assembly. It's what I'm doing right now. And things just click together really easily, really simple. Little kids can figure it out, grown-ups can figure it out, anybody can figure it out. And it's really intuitive. It's not 9 million steps in a 45-page booklet. It's very much something that is kind of almost ready to play with right out of the box. And then you have the pilot, the rider, the owner, the best friend of Toothless, Hiccup. And you can see he's got the little fake foot there because he had that unfortunate accident. And he comes, he's like your standard Playmobil figure body, and he's got some accessories that you can put on here. You have this sort of scary dragon armor thing that can go on one shoulder, and you can have regular dragon armor on the other shoulder, and there's actually another piece so you can display it with or without you can have them symmetrical or not. So he's got armor on, you can replace the hair, and then he's got this nice cool mask on for Hiccup, and then he's got this thing, actually before I show you that, he's got flaming sword. Flaming sword, pretty awesome. But he's also got this thing that acts like a wing. Wouldn't know exactly what it is because it doesn't tell you on the box, but it does show a picture of him riding on Toothless like so. He can stand and fly, and that's neat for the figure. But we like the dragons too, don't we? Let's look at the dragon. So this is Toothless the Dragon by Playmobil. He looks really good, and he's got a cool feature. His mouth opens a little bit, but if you open it all the way, open it a lot, missile shoots out. These have a soft tip. There's 3 of them. They're like it's supposed to be like flame breath or whatever. You think this is a button? It's not. It's like the harness. This is where you activate the light up. It's pretty bright. I like it. Press it again to turn it off. You can see the replacement tail that Hiccup made for Toothless. The wings do move nicely. You gotta make sure you click them in pretty good. The nice range of motion so you can get some good action. And also, if you look underneath, there are 4 movable feet. The quality of these things is really remarkable, but that, if you've ever had a Playmobil toy before, that will be no exception. So we want Hiccup to ride Toothless, So that's what this thing is. It's basically just snugs into place and holds him in place. But he can also stand on it if he wants. It's really well made. And not surprisingly, Toothless fits in with other Playmobil dragons as well. See, I like dragons. I have a couple of dragons. Dragons are cool. And Toothless has some buddies. As it is, it's a really great rendition of the character and toy. So fans who like the show, the accuracy will dig it. But it's just a great solid toy for kids too. So if you have a kid who's into the dragons, from How to Train Your Dragon or the Dragon Show or any of the associated merchandise, you cannot go wrong with this item because it is very, very cool. This was a review sample that was graciously provided by Playmobil. So yes, there's going to be lots of how to train your dragon things. There's the Island of Burke, there's Drago's ship, there's Gobber with a catapult, and there's the Toothless, which we just showed you, and that's going to retail for about $35 out in August. We're also going to have Astrid and Stormfly, Drago and Thunderclaw, and Eret with 4-shot fire ballista. These are all going to be due out in August of 2017. Since it's September now, I believe you should be able to find these things in stores now. Once again, thank you again to Playmobil for the opportunity to review this. This is Josh from CollectionDX. We'll see you next time. Bye. See, I like dragons. I have a couple of dragons. Dragons are cool.